Hello, today I'm going to introduce my upcoming Magickal membership workshop on expanding brain power. This is first as by request, both by those who are involved in study who want to actually learn faster and improve their IQ, memory retention and so on, but also for anybody who's using their brain basically, in business, in organization, to make all their mental faculties more efficient and more positive, more powerful. Also for those using their mind creativity, for those who kind of write, use music. It is all about expanding the mind in many ways. I first found the power of this back in my college days when I was studying and when I first began meditation. I soon found that a certain simple mantra I was being given really improved my learning, made everything really smooth and easy, and took the hard work out of it. Learning came very quickly. I've expanded upon that since then. So I'll be giving mantras, but also dealing with this on a nutrition level, first of all, by explaining which nutrients the brain needs to work at optimal capacity. And then we'll go into some of these dikshas, which is empowerments for these mantras that'll actually make it really work for you. So what you'll get out of this workshop is basically increased mind power on every level. Whether it's out of studying, so you can learn really fast and smoothly and easily, whether it's to organize your business, to be creative, writing, everything become smooth, easy, and efficient. So for those who want to improve their mind power, I'll work you on this call.